Okay, hello everyone, this is Luti, and I think I want to share this report at around 1 until 3 January 2024, and we got Anchin and Zefra good stuff, maybe Zefra plus super heavy. Next we have Manatium. Next we have Pendulum Magician, and he may take Heavy Storm. Interesting because you can destroy your own Pendulum Scale with it. And it is a Zac build. Next, Fire King. And next we have another Fire King, and he played this Snake Eyes spell from Toon. And we have Rescue S plus a Snake Eye, and he played 43. And for Snake Eye Engine, he played 1 Flamberg, 2 S, 2 Populus. And for side deck, he played 1 Diabell Dread. And Reinforce is mandatory in main deck if you want to keep play Rescue S. Next, Fire King, he played 43, and he played this Diabell Trap in main deck, plus this quick play Snake Eye spell 2. Extra deck, he played Lyricus plus Zeus. Pointer in side deck. Next, we have Fire King. Next, it is Infernoid, and I believe this one is pure with Sky Striker. Okay, this is interesting because he played Sky Striker engine, I believe. And only 2 Decathlon in main deck, interesting too. And next, 2v2 tournament, and we have Fire King, with Jack of Heart. Next, another Fire King. All of this is Fire King, which is really strong this deck. Fire King with Monster Reborn, Silent Force, and we have Snake Eye. Next, Fire King. This is from the list before. He played 3 Soul Release. Next, it is another Fire King, and he may take Monster Reborn plus 2 Talent. Next, Snake Eye plus Jet Synchro. Fire King, Labyrinth, Fire King. Next, Silent Force plus Dogma. Next, Snake Eye. Next, we have Rescue S, 2 Populus. Okay, so he's not main deck Reinforce. Interesting. Next, it is Unchained, Flow, Next, Runic stun. Rivalry is limit. There can be only P1 is semi. Next we have Cyphers. Hero with Kuriboh. Okay, so he's not play Kaiser Colosseum, interesting. Draytron. I think it's like a standard Draytron build. The difference is he played 3 Soul Release plus 2 Kaiser Colosseum in side deck. Chimera with Dark Statue in main deck. Next, it is a Cash Wrecker, and he main deck 2 Phantasma, interesting. And 3 set right or something, this one. We have Flow with Rivalry in main deck. Rivalry is really strong if you played deck who have same type. I think Rivalry is best card because it shut down like Fire King, because they all play a different type. And this is the reason why Rivalry limit, because this card is really strong against Fire King. Next, Rescue S. Next we have Naturia Runic. Okay, so if Bestial Runic is popular in TCG, we have like underdog deck like this Naturia Runic in OCG, because 3 is only, and in TCG 3 is limited, and in OCG Lupilion is limited, but in TCG Lupilion is only, so that's the difference. Next, Salamangreat. 3 Colosseum is mandatory in this deck. Next is Snake Eye. Then we have Cyber Dragon going second, I believe. Fire King. Another Fire King. Next is Exosister. Flow with 3-dimensional Fisher, 2 Shifter, 3 Imprompt. This I think is really crazy, 3 Dark Rule, and this Trap, Kirby Trap, I forget this card name. Next, Fire King. Another Fire King. I don't know what this deck is. I think you can call it Ghost Stuff, because he played Snake Eye Engine, he played Ward Kelly's Engine, also Sprite is on there, he also played One Snow 2. I don't know how to call this deck is. Runic Stun. Flow. Flow is a bit popular right now because of this map is 3, and this shifter plus dimensional feature is really strong against Fire King. Next is Fire King. Third place is EXO. And next we have Flow, Labyrinth, Cyphers, good stuff, and Fire King. And he played 3 Ultimate Slayer, interesting. Next, Synchro deck. Silent Force with Dogma. Next, Rescue S. Ritual Peace. Red Raptor. Next, Silent Force. Naturia Runic. Rescue S. Fire King. Next, Top 8. Labyrinth. Silent Force. And Fire King. Another Fire King. Next, Fire King. Yeah, all of this is Fire King too. Next, Silent Force Dogma plus Shadow Legend. Next is Purely, even though this my friend is Semi, I think this deck is still playable. Next is Silent Force and Super Heavy. Trap Tricks. Next, Fire King. Silent Force Pure. Fire King, I think he missed this deck list. This should be the new Kirin, no, not the old one. 3 Sprite with Shadow Legend inside deck, and you can use Shadow Legend when you're going second. Next here is Fire King, Valiance, Fire King, and Printed. This Valiant is from next play tournament before. I think this Printed too. Next is Fire King with 3 soul release. Next, Fire King, Silent Force with Dogma plus Shadow, and he played 3 Didigron in side deck, 3 soul release. Didigron when you're going first, soul release is when you're going second. Next is Super Heavy. Next, Fire King. Another Fire King. Labyrinth. Okay, so interesting. This Labyrinth played Cold plus Crossout, where no one, I believe no one played this Cold plus Crossout in Labyrinth beset of this player. Fire King, Ancient, next Silent Force, He played Dogma, I think. Next is Fire King. And he played Magic Deflector, interesting. Rescue S with Snake Eye Engine. 3S, 2 Populus, 1 Flambug. And I think I will stop in here maybe. Or maybe I think to keep it up. Because it is from January 4th. I think I will keep it up. Fire King. Another Fire King. Another Fire King. This is Blackwing, and he played pure Blackwing. No Horus there. Snake Eye. Oh, apa dulu Magician? Snake Eye. Next, yeah, I think we'll stop it here maybe. No, we'll keep up. Fire King from Toulouse as Fire King. All of this is Fire King plus Snake Eye. Main deck Kurikara and 2 Chain of Heart in side deck. Next is Branded. Rescue S with Snake Eye, Fire King, and Fire King. Next we have Silent Force. Vanquish Soul, but I think this one is from Master Duel. Because of 3 Super Poly, we only have like 2 Super Poly in OCG. Dogma deck, I think. Purely with 2 My Friend. Vanquish Soul with Demon Soul Officer in main deck, interesting. Yeah, I think I will stop in here because this is from 6th January.